rejoice. We recommit ourselves to the sovereignty of this country. We commit ourselves to the unity of this country. We commit ourselves to the fraternity and justice to all people as promised in our constitution.
How do you see the India Alliance support?
India Alliance is a congregation of parties and individuals, and it also includes some disgruntled people from the BJP. They too are supporting us, although they may not disclose it. But almost around 80% of the Goan population has come under one banner, and they are supporting their candidates in North and South. I am from North Goa, and my friend Captain is from South Goa. Together we shall be voice of Goans. We shall be the voice of the Goans in the Parliament of India. I, as a lobbyist of India, my contribution is there. People know about it, whether it is Women's Reservation Bill or Lord bring about justice at the earliest possible, or alternative dispute resolution, and so many other things which we will talk about in course of time. I'm confident that we shall come out victorious. This country is great. This country adores people like Ram Manohar Lohia, and Goa got freedom because of the efforts of such great people. People who lost their lives, people who became martyrs for the sake of this country. We have paid our obeisance to them at Patra Devi and now here at Lohia Maidan. Viva Goa!
What about the employment? Not the facing the verdict like Mopache, airport, Cheru, Namaki, that minister. So employment.
Yeah. There are a lot of issues. I'll take up these issues by and by. But one thing I can tell you, I had made efforts to bring about IT revolution, information technology revolution, under the leadership of a great person called Dr. Raghuveer Masharkar, who is world's one of the topmost scientists. He gave us a 5-point formula, which I tried to implement, but the rest is history. People who are today sitting in power there, they did not want that to happen. We will reignite it. We will restart
But
it.
IT is the future.
Yes, it's the future of the country. It's the future of the world itself. So we have to work for utilizing that power by training our students, our youngsters, so that everyone becomes as powerful. Knowledge is power, it is said, and that knowledge has to be imparted to our youngsters. We will do it together.
Your thought on the AI?
They have become slaves of corruption. They have become slaves of the drug trade, gambling, rape, murder, molestation. Today, the regime in Delhi, where these two Gujarati leaders are ruling, they are crushing the democracy. They are sidelining the constitution. In Goa, especially in South Goa, they have taken away our rivers. 6 rivers have been nationalized. They have made all efforts to divert River Madai. The central government, in collusion with the local government, the so-called double engine, they have brought 3 linear projects, double tracking, expansion of roadways, and the Tamnar projects, only to facilitate the coal transportation and make Goa into a coal hub. The final nail in the coffin of Goa is the closure of Dabolim Airport. All our efforts are being made by this central government in collusion with the local government, the so-called double engine BJP government, to close down the Dabolim Airport. If Dabolim Airport is closed, it will have a massive economic impact, not only on the hotels, on the shacks, but on the taxi drivers, on the motorcycle pilots, on all the small businesses which are surviving on the only organized trade, that is tourism. After liberation, there were only 3 trades: agriculture, tourism and mining. Agriculture has been systematically finished. Today they are not giving subsidy to our farmers so that farmers will sell their land to the crony capitalist. Mining has been banned from 2014. They said there is a scam of 35,000 crores. Till today, not even 35 rupees has been recovered. As far as tourism is concerned, Goa was known across the world as the Rome of the East. Goa is known for the beautiful beaches, the greenery, the fields, the hills, the rivers. All are being taken away by this government by bringing such destructive legislation, ill-conceived legislation. We will fight. We will ensure that Goa is protected. And the last thing, what they want to do is, they have said they will take away the OCI. On the contrary, on behalf of the Congress Party and the India Alliance, in association with Advocate Ramakant Kalap, I promise the people of Goa, we will move a legislation for granting dual citizenship to the people of Goa.
You have the support of India Alliance.
Absolutely.
How you see for this campaign?
This is coming together not only of the alliance partners but of the people of Goa to save Goa from the destructive plans that the BJP has made for Goa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What is the margin that you are expecting?
This is a part of a strategy, but I can only tell you it will definitely cross anywhere between 70 to 80,000 as of now. And as the campaign goes, I think we may even cross the 1 lakh mark, because this is a fight of the people's power against money power.